Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola One Action, and today I'll show you how to put the device into power saving mode. So to get started, pull down the notification panel and you will see the battery saver right over here. Simply tap on it and it gives you a message: turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns off or restricts background activities, some visual effects and other high power features to extend the battery life. So confirm it by tapping on turn on. As you can see, it changes a couple things visually. Sometimes it drops the brightness, but things that it doesn't actually specify. What it does is, for instance, disconnects you from Wi-Fi and mobile data whenever the device is sleeping. So when you lock it and keep it locked without actually interacting with it for, I don't know, like 10 minutes or so, the device basically disconnects from basically network to preserve battery. So yeah, that is how you would enable it, and to disable it you can simply tap on the toggle once more and it goes back to normal. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.